I'm extremely happy to be present in this Graphene Investors Meet organized by Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation and the Digital University. Normally, my ministry has conducted meetings with representatives of organizations, CIA, FICCI, TAI, KSISIA. And as a minister in the last year, I had intervened with investors at different districts. Now we have decided to convene interactive sections on sectoral basis. This is the first one on that concept. They have planned 9 or 10 sector-based discussions during this month, October. And also we have almost finalized the draft Industrial Policy 2022. Before finalizing this industrial policy, we have planned to place it in public domain and seeking the opinion and suggestion from stakeholders and the general public. I think within 2-3 months we can declare the new industrial policy for the state of Kerala for attracting more investment and creating more employment opportunities. This Graphene Investors Meet is a significant milestone for the state as we embark on a unique journey to create a robust graphene ecosystem, gaining early mover advantage in the futuristic sector. Today, you will witness the immense potential that this wonder material has to offer and get to understand the various offerings in the full value chain from graphene production and market applications. Kerala Graphene Policy, infrastructure support facilities, industry standards, etc. are some of the key focus areas to be discussed and deliberated as a part of this conference. We also have some renowned international speakers who will give us perspective of what this cutting-edge material has to offer its commercialization and industrial applications. Kerala is striving to build a responsible and futuristic industrial ecosystem based on the 3 pillars of environmental responsibility, social responsibility, and economic responsibility, leading to a responsible industry that would lead to a responsible society. This is our perspective. The state renowned focus on ESG, environmental social governance, driven responsible investment is paving way for growth of new emerging sectors in the state. Graphene and related materials, GRM, is a futuristic sector for Kerala has great importance to given to the development of emerging industries and responsible industrialization in the state. The government is working towards building a conducive ecosystem for the sector, for which several policies and measures to promote innovation in this sector are being undertaken. The state is now emulating dual focus on ease of living, given the state's good air, water, healthcare, and education system, along with ease of doing business, via an ESG-focused approach. The government of Kerala is committed to improve the doing business ecosystem in the state by a number of initiatives, including the simplification of procedures, seamless investment facilitation, and enhancement of digital engagement channels. The 1 lakh enterprises initiatives of the state is yet another program conceptualized by the state to drive entrepreneurship and job creation in the state. Within these 6 months, we could register around 60,000 new MSMEs in the state of Kerala. The annual average is 10,000 per year. That is the average new registration of MSMEs in Kerala. Now we could register average 10,000 in a month due to this campaign. Thank you for all organizations, all departments for joining hands together to achieve this goal. The facilitation ecosystem built out of this program is paving way for large-scale investment across promising sectors, which includes graphene, biotech, food tech, medical equipments, nanotechnology, 5G, cyber security, artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, robotics, etc. Most of these sectors have application using graphene, and hence collaborative efforts are key to build a conductive ecosystem for graphene in the state. The strength of Kerala is its people, especially its youth, well educated and highly trained. Keralites have made a tremendous impact professionally, both in India and abroad, and also vital contribution to the national economy, especially in the tech sectors. Leveraging the strong social and intellectual infrastructure, Kerala has produced many tech entrepreneurs who have helped build a vibrant and thriving startup ecosystem which holds great promise. The state is home to more than 130 sector-focused industrial parks, industrial growth centers and areas. To further enhance the industrial infrastructure strength of the state, a graphene industrial park is being proposed, which would become another addition to the state sectoral ecosystem. This one-day investor meet conducted is a unique platform to showcase the various initiatives undertaken by Kerala so far to promote a graphene-based industrial ecosystem in the state, to discuss the draft policy and to focus on identifying key infrastructure support facilities secured at the industrial park. The support and collaboration from investors, academia, R&D experts, industrial partners and other institutions and representatives present here today, today's event would mark a remarkable milestone in building a vibrant and thriving graphene ecosystem which holds great promises. By these words, I inaugurate this conference. Thank you. Thank you very much.